Vinay has a question that about peering. I will explain. No worries. Anybody have other? Any question? Because today only some few members joined. I don't know why. Today is the last class. And if you have any doubt, you have to text me. Then I'll give one timing. Or else for Monday I'll tell DevOps. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I'll send that content. Or else I'll forget again. So first topic today we are going to do Route 53. So first tell me anybody what is DNS? What do you understand by this? And very important topic of your AWS again. What is DNS? Any idea? What does it do?
DNS is the domain name system.
What does it do? Correct, only domain name system. What is the work purpose of doing that?
मेनली इसका पर्पस ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कि हम लोग को हर आईपी एड्रेस याद नहीं रख सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम लोग जैसे किसी वेबसाइट को अगर रन करना होता है, ठीक है, तो वेबसाइट का जो लिंक होता है उसको हम ना वो आईपी एड्रेस से जब कनेक्ट करते हैं तो वही डोमेन नेम सिस्टम हमारा बनता है फिर।
Correct. It helps you to convert from IP to name. So now we are going to do this IP to name. Like for example, I have a web page. Now till now what we have done, we took a web page, we took our public IP, we pasted it in our browser, and I got a web page. Correct? Till now what we did. But how many people can remember IP? For example, there is no google.com. Everybody has IP. Can you remember? Not possible. Correct now? So for that I need some name. So that conversion is known as DNS. Very important topic. Every company will have this. You have to compile them. There are lot of sources where you can get a domain name. Amazon itself has a domain name, but it is payable. But there are certain sources which is free. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first basic priority is I will create. Okay, I will create one EC2 with one web page. So normally I am doing that one. So just create. So first of all, I am just going to create one image. that HTTPD and all those things on web page. Then I'll come to route 53. So this is Insta. Created, minimize this. I don't have any work here. Now, if I want to check my web page, what I have to do? I have to come here, I have to take my public IP and I have to paste my browser. Yes or no? Online people? Yes? I cannot remember these things all the time.
Yes,
so
sir.
I have to map this one with one domain name. Now for getting domain name is not so easy. You have to pay. So here we have one option known as Route 53. If you click on this, you have to come first with domain registration. Here you have to find, say every has a money, nothing is free. Okay, so like example, let's take some name which is already there. Will it take? Let's see, Google. If I check, it is checking. It will say no, unavailable. See, it will not give you registered name. You have to give something new. Like for example, let's give tech. So 51 tech, CNS tech, but tech.com is not available. Correct? So, but from here, if you want to buy, you have to add to a cart. Same like a shop. Continue. Then your details, your name, address, then continue. Then you have to give. You are paying for this. But now question is how to practice. Correct? So for that we have multiple options. Like I think in GoDaddy you can get free domain, or else you can come on this Freenom. This is one website where you can create a domain, where you can register a domain. Sign in. Already I have my account. You people have to sign in first with your Gmail. Then service, register a new domain. Okay. Then find a name which name suits. Tech 51. See, free.tk.com will not get it free. Will pay, so other domain will get. Just get it now, and you can do it. Okay. I have already some domains. I'll come mine, service, my domain. The same way I have created some domain here. Spider, TechRegna, Mirujuda TK. I have created some domain. Now when I copy this and if I paste here, I will not get anything because I have not mapped. Now I have to map this one. When I click this, that should come up. That is what your practical is. Understood? Online people understood what I am going to do now? I am going to map this IP to this user TK which I have created. You can map anything when you create the here domain, whatever domain you have here. Okay?
Okay.
How to do? Come here. Go back. Route 53. DNS management. Create host zone. Give that name. So I am giving this one only. Whatever I have. Description if you want. Public hosted zone. So you want publicly. Everybody can see. Create host. Then you have to create a record. Here, immediate picker is fine. What do you want before? I want this. Then here, public IP. Don't give it, only give public IP. Now to know this properly, what are these? You have to do MCSA. All these are in MCSA topics. I am doing with route traffic with IP address, some AWS resources. Okay. You want if you have multiple names, the multiple name, and you can add another record. Create record. Record created. Come here, refresh, it will not come because name server you have not given. Now you have to give name server. So you have to come here, select your domain, manage domain. Here management tool, name server. Here. मेरा को जाता So first make it default. Okay. Just to change it because you have to give your custom name. So from where you will get a custom name? Here only. These are your name server. This one you have to copy and paste there. So come here, management tool, name server. Now this. If you change anything from here, it will not work. So properly you copy with .com. One by one. Up and down, no problem. Change server name. Active. Now let's see. I will copy this. I will send here. Check it once. It will just wait for 5 minutes. It is not so easy. It will not come immediately. It will take some time. Just refresh multiple times. So understood what I did? Anybody has any question?
Sir, not understand properly, sir.
Huh?
सर वो रूट 53 और नेम सर्वर्स क्या है वो नहीं समझ में आया.
MCS किया ना आपने?
हेलो.
MCS किया ना आपने? DNS वाला?
हाँ डीएनएस वाला किया सर. रूट 53 का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है सर.
वही जो आप MCS में करते हो, नाम यूज करते हो, वही है. मैंने जस्ट IP से लिंक कन्वर्ट किया. Now see it came. Check this everybody. You will get this one. Open. Came. Online came.
Sir.
So what I did, I just converted my IP to NIC. That is what your root 53 is. If you are doing entirely in AWS, then you have to buy the domain name. So I am not buying domain name. I came here and I registered one and I have added this one. But if you are doing third-party application, third-party name, then you remember that whatever name server you have in your record, the conversion record, that record should be present in your third-party application name server. Okay, but if you are doing here only, you are hosting your page here only, then name server not required. It is already there. If you are doing your buying here only, your website and everything and hosting here only, then you no need to copy this part. But if you are taking third-party application like Freenom, GoDaddy, something else you get, then you have to give this AWS name server to there. Name server is nothing, is the name of your AWS account. It will come randomly. See AWS DNS 09.com, AWS DNS, DNS. This is a random name of your root 53. Clear? Anybody has any questions? Understood? Online?
So, can you show me once again from first creating new DNS?
Creating new DNS.
Yeah.
Come here. Okay.
Okay.
Come to service. Register a new domain. Then here you have to choose with your domain name. Remember 1 year is not activated. For example, I have given tech. I think it will not take. Then also area 51. What? After giving area 51 is not coming only. Came. See, area 51, nothing is free. All are charged. Obviously, famous name will not come also. All aliens are there. 51. First of all, you have to find which domain. For your practice, find 3 domain. For company, whatever it is, you have to pay only. Whichever name you look good. So once it will come, see it is free. Nirmal, you are seeing this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Down if you see name costs are there. Just go with free. Get it now. Then it will give them some process, register domain, this and this thing. Just you have to register it.
Okay.
Okay. Once you register, and it becomes slow, I think. You have to open, sorry. You have to come here and open my domain. You will see that list of the name after the process follows. Okay. You will see the list of the name. Once you see the list of the name, you have to come here and create this one.
Route 53. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then when you create this one, you will get these names.
Yeah.
This name, you have to just go and add it to management tool and give it name server. But if we are doing in Route 53 only, nothing is required. Just give that name here, automatically this will be converted because it's already in your AWS console.
Okay.
Here I am mapping it, so I have to give. So mapping only, I am just giving here name server.
Okay, sir.
Because AWS is something else, DDN is something different.
Okay.
Clear?
Sir, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
actual use of that name server, sir? Not
Huh?
understanding that. Sir, what
Yeah?
is the actual use of सर सर्वर का एक्चुअल यूज क्या है वैसे?
नेम को कन्वर्ट करना है. डीएनएस का जो नेम है, आपका नेम सर्वर का नेम है, ये नेम को कन्वर्ट कर रहा है इसमें. आईपी जो नेम कन्वर्ट कर रहा है. जैसे मेरे पास था नहीं पहले, तो मैंने भी ये बैठाया. सर्वर का काम है, मेन काम.
सर वो तो मैंने ऑलरेडी वो परचेज किया ना, ticket.com जो मैंने डोमेन जो परचेज किया उस
इसको, मगर आपने परचेज किससे किया है? फ्रीनॉम से, इससे नहीं किया.
हाँ
यानी इससे क्या परचेज?
नहीं, हाँ मैंने फ्री नाम से परचेज किया, दोनों को मैं मैप किया. ये नेम सर्वर का वहाँ पे यूज क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअल हमारा?
ये नेम मुझे कन्वर्ट कौन करके दे रहा है?
ओके.
ये अकाउंट किसका है? ये तो एडब्ल्यूएस का अकाउंट है ना. ये तो वेब पेज कहाँ लॉन्च हो रहा है? ये एडब्ल्यूएस में हो रहा है ना.
हाँ
तो अभी फ्रीनम को मालूम है क्या मैं कहाँ यूज कर रहा हूँ? वो किसका नेम को कन्वर्ट करेगा? वो किसका नाम कन्वर्ट करेगा? वो आप अजूर में भी कर सकते हो, किसी भी कर सकते हो. करेक्ट ना?
हाँ हाँ.
इसमें समझाने के लिए मुझे अपना जो डीएनएस है, जो नेम सर्वर है, वो उसमें डालना पड़ेगा.
ओके.
नहीं तो समझेगा ही नहीं.
ओके.
ये कन्वर्शन है बिटवीन योर एडब्ल्यूएस एंड फ्रीनॉम. इसलिए नेम सर्वर चाहिए, उसको मालूम होना चाहिए आईपी का क्या नाम है. इसलिए मैंने जब ये क्रिएट किया था, क्रिएट रिकॉर्ड में मैंने यहाँ पे वो दिया था ग्लोबल आईपी. मैंने यहाँ पे प्राइवेट आईपी नहीं दिया था, ग्लोबल आईपी दिया था. करेक्ट ना?
हाँ.
आया समझ? तो वो जो कन्वर्ट जो हुआ, कन्वर्ट कहाँ हुआ? ये इसके अंदर हुआ.
तो मैं तो वहाँ पे मैं प्राइवेट आईपी भी तो यूज कर सकता था.
नहीं कर सकते हो आप लॉन्च कैसे करोगे प्राइवेट आईपी से? चलो करते हैं EC2 में जाते हैं, प्राइवेट आईपी में आते हैं, देखते हैं प्राइवेट आईपी अंदर के लिए होता है क्या? आया? हाँ
एक बार रिपीट कीजिएगा सर, आवाज कट गया था नेटवर्क की वजह से.
हाँ सभी आया.
हाँ सर आप बोलिए सर.
प्राइवेट आईपी दिया मैंने, ओपन हुआ.
नहीं लिया अभी.
तो हम लोग प्राइवेट आईपी नहीं दे सकते. क्लियर?
तो मतलब कि मैं कभी अपने ग्रुप, कुछ स्पेशल ग्रुप्स के लिए वो वेबसाइट या वो डीएनएस में मैप नहीं कर सकता हूँ?
करो तो आप पब्लिक मत करो, प्राइवेट होस्टेड कर लो. यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शन था.
हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ वही
2 ऑप्शन है ना यहाँ पे डीएनएस मैनेजमेंट में. होस्टेड जोन में आओ, क्रिएट होस्टेड जोन. पब्लिक मत करना, प्राइवेट कर दो, प्राइवेट में काम करेगा. मगर वो प्राइवेट यहाँ पे एक्सेसिबल होना पड़ेगा. ये जो एनवायरनमेंट हम लोग बनाते हैं वो AWS कभी प्राइवेट सपोर्ट नहीं करता. तो उसके लिए आपको नेट गेटवे लगा के चलाना पड़ेगा. तो वो आपको खुद करना होगा.
ओके.
ठीक है? पहले आपका जो आईपी एड्रेस है वो एक्सेसिबल होना चाहिए. Anybody has any other questions? Fine. Now, how to delete it? If you come here, it will not delete. It will say first. I am doing this. Get an error. Before you delete, this is the hosted zone. First, delete all resources. So, open this. Whichever you have created. Delete record. Now delete zone. Understood? Clear?
सर इसमें हमारा कोई पेज रन नहीं किया अभी तक।
हाँ?
इसमें मैं कोई पेज रन कर सकता था ना अभी यहाँ पे साथ ही साथ मैप करने के बाद।
ऑब्वियसली मैंने एक पेज रन किया था ना मैंने इसको, तो मैंने ये क्या रन किया था? एक पेज तो रन किया था। आपके वेबसाइट में जो होगा वही तो रन होगा ना। मैंने तो पेज ही रन किया था ना बना के। मैंने तो डिफॉल्ट लिया था, मैंने उससे कुछ बना नहीं। आप बनाओ, वेब पेज लॉन्च करो वेब सर्वर को, ठीक है? It is fine. I have launched web page only. Just default web page I have done. Okay. Now next topic is cloud formation. Okay. That is here. What do you understand? Tell. Cloud formation. What do you understand by this word? It's creating cloud in sky. Rain will come. No, no. So what does it mean? Cloud formation. Tell. English word meaning and concept. Cloud formation. What does it mean? Basically, what is AWS? Cloud only, correct? Nothing physical over here. That means you have to create an environment with the help of code. For this, you have to learn language, YML language, JSON language, and all. Or else it is there. Everything is there. AWS has made everything document. Only you have to understand the document. That's it. Nothing more than that. That means I will run a script. According to my script, it will work. This is part of AWS, but real time we don't use. So I kept it last. In real time, the Terraform will come. Docker will come in this place. It is scripting language. It is infrastructure as a code. This is part of AWS. People do not use AWS resource because they are expensive. They use third party, the Terraform. Okay, where you will create the entire environment. Whatever you have done, you will create there and just come and run the template. That's it. Everything will do. Like if you remember Elastic Beanstalk, I just went there, I told what I need, and everything in background is started. That is also a small part of cloud formation. That is known as PaaS, Platform as a Service. Today what I am going to do, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. Like I will tell to my AWS that I want these things, and in background it will start. Okay? Clear? Understood? Before I do understood what I am saying? Understood what is cloud formation? First give response, then only I can understand you understood or not. I will start doing it, in middle you will say, sir, tell it again. Tell now only. Meaning of cloud formation you understood. Here you will create your infrastructure as per your requirement, but with the help of code. You are not going to create EC2, VPC and all those things. What you want, just give there in a code, everything will be launched. That is what cloud formation is.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yeah.
Okay. So for doing cloud formation, like first of all, you have to learn coding. Now, if you don't know coding, okay, there are certain patterns to write. So you will get some sample patterns. So just write down cloud formation templates. Open AWS account. Don't go any other website. AWS has given you everything. Come to a sample template. As per region, they have given all the functions. For example, I am in Mumbai. Click on Mumbai. Come to sample services. Now these are all the services that you want, but they are default services. Default. You have to edit. Okay. So I want to start Amazon EC2. Click on here. I want to start Amazon EC2 with security group. Launch instance. Launch stack. Just template is ready. URL saved here. Next. Security group sample name. So you give a security group name as cloud formation name. What type of instance you want? I want T2 micro. Key pair what you have. Anybody can use the location SSH, yes. Next. Come down. Next. So this is what you have done. Paste step. Creating in progress. Let's come here. No. Let's come here. Click here. Open EC2. See? Run automatically. Understood? This is how cloud formation will do. So for doing cloud formation, you have to learn some language. What language? Let's see now. Understood now? Concept? So there are other options. You can just go on doing it. Lot of services are there. AWS config, DynamicDB, Elastic Beanstalk, load balancer. In EC2 only auto scaling you have this. Come to EC2. In EC2 you have this. Okay. Now you want to learn about coding. So how will you do coding? Let's see. So this is a created. I will delete it again because I do. Understood? Any question? Understood?
Sir.
Okay. I am deleting it. Your cloud
Sir.
formation hotel.
Yeah, that security group you created right automatically. Whether it will be in all traffic or any specific one.
I have given all traffic now. Shit, I deleted now.
Yeah.
This one. Only SSH. Because I selected that time SSH
Okay.
while creating it.
Okay.
But see, by default, all traffic will never come. Very risky. You will also not do all traffic in real time. What you need, you have to open that only. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So the main use of the cloud formation is to save the time.
The main use of cloud formation is to do the infrastructure work with all
No,
coding
means,
and everything.
yeah,
The
we can
infrastructure
do those things. We can do those things manually also one by one, na? But in cloud formation we can do directly like that.
See, first of all, you are not working for one environment in your office.
Okay.
Okay, you will be having multiple clients. They want multiple things. They want multiple. You have to make a architecture level design.
Mm-hmm.
So for doing that, you need bit concept of coding or scripting. Here,
Okay.
JSON and YML scripting is there. So those tools are new coding. It is very hard to find it out. Okay. There is
Okay.
no institute till now who teaches YML. While you do practice, you'll understand. So they have already given some codes. Like how you do, let's see. Like come here, instead of doing here create stack. Okay, I do long stack, correct? Instead of doing this, I want to do manually. Create stack with new, create template and design, create template. You will get the options here. What are things you want? One by one, I drag here. My code will come here in down. Like let's get into initiative. What I want this. I open. I open instance. I need instance. Just drag. Came. See code came. Now how to change this code? Those things you have to see. With this instance, I want to add VPC, for example. So first you have to make the diagram over here. I want VPC. This VPC will attach to this one. Depend on this. So now dependency link. Hold a second. So you can see AWS EC2 VPC dependency I have created. Understood? Either you can go with JSON language or YML language. Now you have to know how to change all those things. Clear? This is what it will come with lot of practices. But in here it is doing it very hard. There are some JSON and YML. This one you have to learn by yourself. There is no institute in this. This will come one JSON language will get. YML will not get. For YML language, there are certain default. Like for example, let's take this stack only. Okay, view designer. So you will get the coding here. See. So they have made the coding here. You can copy the coding and change it out. Understood? Clear now? Any questions?
सर एनी अल्टरनेट ऑफ दिस सर?
हाँ?
इसका कोई अल्टरनेट नहीं है सर?
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा ठीक से बताओ इसका?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये कोडिंग के अलावा कोई अल्टरनेट नहीं है?
नहीं है. This is what cloud formation. Cloud formation में आपको ये करना ही होगा. This is what you have to learn. This scripting, these are coding, this scripting. Coding different, scripting different.
इसमें सेल स्क्रिप्टिंग नहीं आता है क्या अभी यहाँ पे?
नहीं, शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग अलग है. वो तो कुछ फंक्शन को रन करने के लिए होता है शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग. लिनक्स का जो फंक्शन होगा उसको रन करने के लिए होता है शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग. ये YML लैंग्वेज है जो आपको सीखना होगा. ये हम लोग बेसिकली वी डू नॉट यूज दिस थिंग इन AWS environment. We use Terraform. Cloud formations are not done through this because it is very complicated. Terraform is very easy. You have to just follow some syntax, and then you can do. Anyhow, I have added Terraform in my DevOps lecture.
ओके मींस इसका अल्टरनेट हमारा टेराफॉर्म है वैसा. ओके.
Everybody has its own alternative. This is product of AWS. Okay, this is a product of AWS. So, like for example, we have DynamoDB, product of AWS, but nobody uses that one. Where did you go with non-structured database? Yes?
Yes.
Clear? Cloud formation?
Yes, yes.
Online, Pushpanjali, Nirmal, who has Usha joined or not? No, I think. Usha joined? Okay. 8 members joined. Fine, good. Great. Okay, what about Nirmal? What about this one? Sandhya joined?
No, sir. Today is Sunday.
Huh?
Sunday.
Birthday?
Birthday, yeah.
Today?
Yes, sir.
He went to mother house because mother is not feeling well. She told me she is going to home because her mother is not feeling well. Today is her birthday, so we went. Achha. Let's come on Monday. Okay, fine. So, till here, doubt clear? Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next topic. Now, next topic is very, very simple. It is known as CloudFront. CloudFront in the sense, for example, I have a bucket where I have hosted some pages. Okay. Now I want to share my page. What I will do? I will go to static web page. I will get a link. Yes or no? I will get a link. So once I get a link, will I give my bucket link or the URL? URL, correct? That type of URL are known as CloudFront. Instead of giving direct link to the user, you will put CloudFront in middle. That you are saying that whoever comes to me, you have to come through this gateway. That is what CloudFront is. For doing CloudFront, you have to buy that URL, you have to buy that link. So, only for theoretical explanation, I have made a PPT. You can just go through it. And small steps are given. Don't try it; it may charge you. CloudFront is nothing, the URL between you and any object, middle, a firewall type. Instead of giving the link to him, we'll give the this one. Nobody can track it from where it is coming. Clear?
It has no any kind of application.
No. No. You have application here. If I come here, if I write down here, CloudFront is there, Global Content Delivery Network. Click this. You will come to global region. See. Create CloudFront distribution. Here, which domain, whatever you keep in a bucket or elastic load balancer, whatever you do, see, if you have elastic load balancer, it will come here. If you have some container, it will come here. If you have your storage, see, all S3 buckets. Which bucket you want? I want bucket for AWS Practical. I have some error web page over there, correct? Origin path, what file? That you enter URL path append to the origin domain name. So I think I have one path. Hold a second, let's open my S3. I have one URL now. That day one error page or something I created, correct? Let's see. Open this, yeah. So properties. Copy this one. Come here. Share origin path. Then here security will come. SSL certificate. That is optional, but if you have to buy this one in real time, and then create distribution. Now it is saying your account must be verified before you add a new CloudFront. This will not require you to verify while giving money. Okay. So what will happen after you do this? You will get a link. Now you will not use this link to be applied. You will not allow this link to be given to others. You will give the CloudFront link. You will click the CloudFront. You will open that page. Understand? Clear? Anybody has any questions? This is what my diagram also says. This is what the diagram is. User S3 middle CloudFront will come. Whatever you keep in that cave, don't give direct connection. This is what CloudFront looks like. Everything, your origin, your instances, whatever you have, you can come through CloudFront. It's a kind of your firewall device. Clear? Not given any practical, the practicals cannot be done for this. You will see some videos, you can just go to YouTube and take some videos. Other all practicals I have done. CloudFront practical is expensive. I don't want you people to charge more. And for CloudFront, they will deduct directly. They will not ask you any questions because it is global. Okay? If you want to try it at risk, you can try. No problem. I don't have any problem. But I will not try. Clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any questions?
No, sir.
Done?
Yes,
Your
sir.
AWS is over. Now come up with your questions first. Whatever you have in your mind now. I'll give one day anyhow. I'll give Monday one time for doubt clearing. That is not a big issue because I've given project now. Till now you have any questions in your mind? Okay, Vinay, you have a doubt with VPC peering, correct?
हेलो
हाँ.
सर, ये सैटरडे का कल का क्या है सर, वो डेवऑप्स के लिए सर?
आपके पास मैसेज आएगा आपके पास?
अभी तो कोई मैसेज नहीं आया है वैसे.
आएगा, मैंने बोल के रखा है जिसके पास मैसेज जाएगा कल 10 से 11 बजे ऑफलाइन एक डेमो है, मतलब क्या कराने वाला हूँ मैं डेवऑप्स में.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है.
तो ऑफलाइन होगा, मतलब वो अटेंड करोगे. इफ एनीबॉडी अटेंड्स माय टुमारो डेवऑप्स क्लास और डेमो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द जॉब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड व्हाई डेवऑप्स इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट.
ओके ओके,
डोंट मिस इट. कम.
ओके ओके.
So tomorrow that is 10 to 1 and might be one online also will come. Online when it will come, I don't know. It may not. But offline is sure tomorrow. I think 11 to 1 or 10 to 1 something will be there.
Okay.
You will get a message anyhow.
Okay, okay, okay.
If you don't get message, I'll explain. Because as I promise, I will do.
Okay.
So people who are present in Bangalore who can come, please come tomorrow. Okay, don't wait for online because online sometimes we miss. You cannot ask questions. If you are sitting me, you can ask questions. Okay?
Okay.
Vinay, you are there? Vinay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell what problem you have, VPC peering.
Yes, sir. Sir, today morning we tried me and Judges to peering, sir, but it is not connecting, sir.
So what problem you are facing? See, remember one thing, while doing a VPC pairing.
మేడం అది కాదు మేడం, ఇంత 1 month అయిపోయింది మేడం, ప్లేస్మెంట్ లేదు మేడం AWS.
Hey, what problem you have? Tell properly. Okay, see, I am showing you something. First of all, you have to come to your VPC. First, you have to create 2 different VPCs, like these two, for example. Okay, normal whatever you do, you will do your work. If you want to add, Like if you want to join these two VPC, first thing you have to come to peering connection. Then already see peering connection is there. Okay, that's the reason why it is charging me. Good. See, I don't delete it only and it's charging. Delete.
So you're getting, sir.
Just get charged, na, that's the reason. Multiple batch I take, na. I always forget. Okay, so create pairing. Here you give your pairing name like something I'm giving now. Select your VPC here one. In same account fine. Here also give one other then you have to create here create pairing. Once you do create pairing, you will get here not accepted. Click there, action, accept request will come. Once you accept the request, come to your VPC, that is the route table. In route table, select your this one. This one only the best tools. Action, sorry, route, edit route, add here whichever network you want, like you want to go anywhere. If you are not going anywhere, you are going to specific, so mention the specific over here, for example 200. And here you have to give NAT. You have to do both the side. Then only VPC pairing will work. Understood? Clear? Vinay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ah,
So
you
do you have any questions? Anybody has any questions? Usha? Pushpanjali, Nirmal, Sunny?
No.
Question? No. Sure. I can give the project? Okay. First of all, I think I have So I'll edit something here. Okay, by end of the day, I will give you one project. I'll edit something here, and then you have to figure it out by Sunday, end of the day, or Monday early morning. This entire project, whatever I'll give you, okay, you have to make a video for that and send it to me personally. Okay, whoever will send for Monday, I'll keep their class for doubt clearing, or else AWS is over. Understood? Online people? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So fine. See you on Monday. Okay, see you on Monday. Your course is over. If you have any doubt, fine on Monday, or else Monday we'll start our DevOps. Okay, but classes are there. No cancellation. What is on first? On first Monday, it is not holiday. I think you got a message. It is not an holiday. Don't say sir holiday. I'll dance for Karnataka Mahotsav or something. So no holiday class are there. Okay? Chalo, bye bye. See you.